Hi, so in today's video I wanted to do something for the tea drinkers because you guys deserve a little bit of love too. But I'm not making just any tea, today I'm making Cascara. Now Cascara comes from the Spanish word meaning husk or peel, and this tea is made from the dried skin of the coffee cherry. In most cases, Cascara is made when the coffee cherries are pulped to remove the seed or the coffee bean, and then the skins are laid out on raised beds to dry in the sun. But this particular Cascara comes from one of our micro lots, La Divisa of Colombia, and the cherries are placed out to dry in the sun as a whole fruit with the seed still intact, and it produces a much brighter, cleaner flavour. So let's make some. Today what you'll need is 5 grams or a tablespoon of Cascara, and make sure to pick up our Cascara from the web store, a teapot with a strainer, a set of scales, it's optional, some hot water, and your favourite teacup. So we're going to just add I'm going to turn the scales on to tear that off. So we've got our 5 grams added and zero that off. And I'm going to be using the timer on the set of scales as well. I'm going to be steeping that for 4 to 5 minutes. So press start on that, and I'm just adding 200 grams. But if you like it a little bit weaker, you can add some more water. Okay. And then I'm just going to allow that to steep with the lid on, and then I can get to enjoy. Why not turn this tea into a cold drink? Simply pop it in the fridge and allow it to cool and pour it over some ice or frozen fruit. For something a little bit more creative, you can do a Cascara simple syrup. So just make your tea as normal, and then you want to add the same amount of sugar as your tea liquid to a saucepan. Allow that to dissolve, and then jar that up, and you can keep that in the fridge for up to a week. You can pour it over some ice cream, or you can make your own Cascara inspired cocktails. So here's the Cascara inspired cocktail that I've created. I've used 20 mils of the Cascara simple syrup, a good measure of gin. Today I'm using Tiny Bear's Gypsy Gin because it pairs really well with our Cascara. And I've topped that up with some mineral water and a dash of bitters. So why not create your own Cascara inspired cocktails at home? And we would love to see you post some photos of those up on Instagram. Make sure to tag us Veneziano Coffee in any of your posts. So you can purchase this delicious Cascara tea and all your tea needs on the Veneziano website. And I hope you have some fun creating something new at home, and maybe a signature cocktail or two.